Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
So I'm looking at these two refurbished espresso machines, the Philips 3200 with Latte Go and the Breville Barista Touch. Both look pretty slick.
Yeah, I saw those too. The Philips is smaller, right? 17 by 10 by 15 inches compared to the Breville's 16.5x 15.5x 15.5 inches. So it depends on your counter space, I guess. And the Philips is listed as weighing only 0.01 ounces, which I seriously doubt is correct. The Breville is a hefty 26.2 pounds.
Haha, yeah, that weight on the Philips has to be an error, but size matters in my tiny kitchen. What about features?
The Breville has a TFT color touchscreen, which is pretty cool, and PID temperature control for consistent brewing. It also boasts a 3-second heat-up time.
3 seconds? Wow, what about the Philips?
The Philips highlights its Latte Go system for milk frothing, which they claim is super easy to clean, only 2 parts and no tubes. It also has ceramic grinders that they say last for 20,000 cups. Plus, they claim you can go up to 5,000 cups without descaling if you use their AquaClean filter.
Okay, the cleaning aspect of the Philips is appealing. I hate cleaning espresso machines. The Breville, does it have a fancy cleaning system?
It has automatic milk frothing and a steam wand. It comes with cleaning tools, but doesn't emphasize easy cleaning the way the Philips does. It does have a pre-infusion function for even flavor.
Tough choice. What kind of drinks can each make?
The Philips makes espresso, coffee, cappuccino, and latte macchiato. The Breville has 5 pre-programmed settings, including espresso, americano, latte, flat white, and cappuccino. Plus, it lets you customize 8 drinks.
Customization is nice. And honestly, that touchscreen on the Breville is tempting.
Yeah, and it includes a bunch of accessories like a milk jug, tamper, and cleaning tools. The Philips advertises consumable accessories are not included. AquaClean filter, grease tube, water hardness test strip.
Okay, so Breville bundles more. Both are listed as currently unavailable though, which is a bummer.
Yeah, that is annoying. And both are renewed, so you're taking a bit of a gamble either way.
True. Thanks for the breakdown. I think I'm leaning towards the Breville for the features, even if it's bigger and maybe a bit more to clean. The Philips sounds good too, especially if cleaning is a priority. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.